Sending WhatsApp broadcast messages to leads and customers is a part of almost every business. But sometimes businesses miss to use the correct method of sending the broadcast messages to all their customers in once. So now here in this video, I'm going to give you an amazing solution using which you can send the automated WhatsApp broadcast messages to all your contacts in once using this amazing all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform that is Pabbly Chatflow. So here on my screen, you can see an automated WhatsApp message that I've sent to all my customers with their personalized name, and here I've sent a WhatsApp template message to all my customers about the new offers. So now in this tutorial, we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this WhatsApp broadcast message for your own business. So for that, you need to access this all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform that is Pabbly Chatflow by searching for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browsers. And it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can see two options. One is sign in and the other one is sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and try Pabbly Chatflow for free today. And if an existing user like me, then simply sign in. Now here if you're a new user and you are planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then I have got a special discount code just for you. By using this code, you can get an amazing discount while making a purchase for your Pabbly subscription. I have already automated my entire business, that too for lifetime, because currently Pabbly is offering the lifetime deal at a very cost-effective price. So go and get yours now. Alright, after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here, you need to access Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on the access now, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. So here, as you know that I've already connected my WhatsApp number inside my Pabbly Chatflow account. So here to add yours, click on this add WhatsApp number button, and here you can see two options. One is WhatsApp Connect and the other one is Manual Token Connect. So now here, if you wish to learn about these methods in detail, then you can watch all the videos available in the description box below for these same. And here let me tell you that it offers some amazing features that are available over here in the left sidebar. So here, if you wish to learn about any of the features in detail, then you can watch out the videos dedicated to each of the feature available on our YouTube channel or in the description box as well. Alright, so as you know that in this tutorial we are going to use a feature of Pabbly Chatflow that is broadcast. But here, before setting up the broadcast, as I have already mentioned that I am going to send the template WhatsApp message to all my customers. So in that case, you need to create a template first inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. So here to create the template, you need to access this template section. But here, if you want to send a regular type of message, then you can send that too. But to learn about that, you need to stay till the end of this video with me. Alright, so now here to create the template, first access this template section. I have already accessed mine, and here you can see the different templates that I have with different names and their status are approved over here. So once the status is approved, then only you can use that template to send the automated WhatsApp messages to your leads or customers. I have already created a template with the name as ecom. So this is the message that I have drafted, and here you can see the status is approved. So here to create a new template, click on this add template button and a new template window will be appeared in front of you. Here you need to add these details, then click on the submit button and automatically a new template will be created. Now here, if you wish to learn about this template creation process in detail, then you can watch out the video dedicated for that on our YouTube channel, or you can directly click on this learn more hyperlink as well. I have already created the template. So now let's move towards the broadcast section. Now under this broadcast section, you can see the total number of broadcasts that I already have, number of live sent and scheduled broadcasts as well. So here to create a new one, click on this add broadcast button and it has directed us to the WhatsApp broadcast window. So we're going to select the type as broadcast campaign, and for the name, we are going to give the name as new message. Alright. Then let's move forward. It is asking us to select the contact list. So here we need to select the contact list to whom we want to send this particular message. So now here I have a customer details in my Google Sheets to whom I want to send this automated WhatsApp message. And in order to send the message to these contacts, I need to add these contacts inside my Pabbly Chatflow account first. So for that, we are going to access this contact section available over here in the left sidebar. Now here in the left sidebar, you can see some existing contact list, and here to add one, you need to click on this add contact button. Then you can see two options. One is add single contact and the other one is add bulk contacts. So here if you want, then you can add the single contact if you want. But to add the bulk contacts, select this option and here you need to upload the CSV file of your data. So now here, as you know that I have the data in a Google Sheet over here. So we are going to download this data in a CSV format. For that, click on this file option, select this download option and download the file in a .csv format. After that, upload that file over here, then automatically a URL will be updated. And then you need to update this duplicate record settings, then click on this add contact button and automatically the bulk contacts will be added inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. And then you can create a separate contact list for the same. Alright, so now here, as you know that I already have some existing contact lists, so I'm going to use one of the same from the drop down. And here you can add multiple lists as well. For now, I'm going to add the single. Then comes the select message type. So you can see two options. First one is pre-approved template message and the other one is regular message. So as you know that I'm going to send the pre-approved template message. But to send the regular one, select this option, then select the message type from the drop down. And if you're going to add the text, then you can have a preview for the same over here on the right side. Alright, we are going to send the pre-approved template message, and for that we are going to select our WhatsApp template message. So this is the message that I've drafted, and here I've used a variable in the place of the name because variables makes our text dynamic and you can add multiple variables in your draft. So basically here my objective is whenever my customer is going to receive this message, then automatically the one value should be replaced with my customer's name. So now here to make this field permanently dynamic, what we are going to do is that we are going to access the another feature of Pabbly Chatflow, that is contact custom fields from the settings. Here under this contact custom fields, you can see 4 global fields that are name, mobile number, last name and the first name. But if you're using an old account, then you might have more contact custom fields. So now here, as you know that I have created a variable for the name field. So for that, we're going to copy this field name over here and we are going to add it over here. Then we are going to click on this done. And you can see this is the template message that we have selected. Then here it is asking us to test the message. That means we can test this message that we are going to send to a wider audience by simply sending it first on our own WhatsApp number. So here I'm going to add my username and then here I'm going to add my phone number. Then we're going to click on the send test message. It says test broadcast sent, so let's go and check our WhatsApp and you can see instantly we have received a new message where we have received the name as Hi Roman. This is the same template message. So with this we have successfully tested this message as well. After that, it is asking us to schedule the broadcast. So here if you want to send this broadcast instantly to all your customers, then select the no option, and to schedule it for the later, select yes. Then here you need to follow this particular date and time format. For the date it's month, day, year, and for the time it's hour and minute. While selecting the date and time, make sure you're selecting the future date and time, because if you're selecting the past date and time, then it is going to send this WhatsApp message instantly to all your customers. Alright, then we're going to click on this add broadcast and you can see we have successfully added a broadcast. Here you can see the name of the broadcast and it is scheduled. So once the broadcast is sent, then automatically you can view the stats for the same. By clicking on this particular view stats button, you can have the data of sent, delivered, read, pending, ignored and failed as well. By using this data, you can analyze the broadcast message that you have sent. Alright, so these were the very simple steps that how you can send a WhatsApp broadcast message like a pro. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then don't forget to use my special discount code that is available in the description box below. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Not only this, you can create many such WhatsApp chatbots and AI assistants for your own business with Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can write it on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then please visit this URL. Now, if you like the video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.